If you've lost your sending privileges on WhatsApp, you can follow these steps to restore them. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check for account restrictions. Make sure that your account is not temporarily restricted. If you see a message indicating that you cannot send messages, it may be due to a temporary ban from WhatsApp. Step 2. Review WhatsApp policies. Familiarize yourself with WhatsApp's terms of service and community guidelines. Ensure that your usage complies with these policies to avoid future restrictions. Step 3. Appeal the ban. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, wait for WhatsApp to review your case. This process may take a few days, so be patient and check your email for any updates from the support team. Step 5. Create a new account if necessary. If your appeal is denied and you cannot restore your privileges, consider creating a new account. Make sure to follow all guidelines to avoid facing the same issue again. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on WhatsApp or take the necessary actions if you need to create a new account.